last performance? All right, we have coming up next, Mr. Surprize, and a surprise right now. Surprise, huh? Okay. Me diamond and shining, diamond and shining, me diamond and shining, diamond and. Don't give me the mix now. Just one more for me get my design jump the fire. Up in and down, picking up the product when we know we have the coaching on. Checking your pin business magazine. Clean. To get bad mind in the water to get mean. So let me go to the radio for the primitive. What up? How you doing? How you doing? Big up on yourself. My name is Mr. Surprize. I'm from Los Angeles, LA. You understand? Jamaica. You understand? Great again. Your party's started. Easy. I don't make for the show. My name is Mr. Surprize. But if I want one more song, say go on Surprize. So go on Surprize. Alright. Accepting. Okay. Yeah. We need to come on. Well, I'm going to break it down. I'm going to take it down back. You got to eye hit, so. Okay, Surprize enough. Okay, we need to come up in a million head now. It's a boss in a million now. Marijuana in a million head now. It's a boss up in a million. Alright, chilling a million time for food to relax. Me just burn lectureless. So me never throw the weed and jump the dance and come over. When me play lectureless. Pick up, me cut it up, bang it on me head, me so pick up, yo. Tell me play it with your legs. I don't know about you, no. We not do me no harm, yeah. We the tabas up in me head, up in me head now. The tabas in me head now. Marijuana, and we still up. Me put the weed in me butter bean. Then me steam me down in me color green. Mix up and mix up in me rice and peas. Put it in me idols, Joe. Light up, pick up in the morning, Joe. Love on the purple, love on the blue. Alright, we the tabas up in me, end up in me. The tabas up in me. Okay, I just want me on the corner. So much marijuana. Love it. Let's